Y'all see that missing now? Yes, we are here for a maintenance vlog. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year.
So today we are at my lash appointment. I'm about to get my lashes done. I haven't had my lashes done in so freaking long, but I'm so ready to get myself together. I'm so ready to get my lashes done. Like, I haven't had my lashes done in so freaking long. I feel like this is a perfect way to start the maintenance vlog because I just feel like lashes really upgrade your look. Like, it's just like, you know, it just be looking so good. So I think for today's look, I'm gonna go a little bit more dramatic than I typically do because why not? It's a new year, new me, honey. So today I'm at Glance at Me LLC. She's the girl that always does my lashes. Never have any issues, no infections, no weird stuff going on. So that's what I'm here for. Take a good look because in a few seconds we are going to be getting our lashes done.
I the month of January, I just feel like it's a part of
it's that, yeah. It's still, girl, this is my first time going to the gym in January, but you know what? It's still January.
It is. So
that's what matters.
No, February, we're gonna step up a little bit and we're gonna change things because I just don't feel like where I'm at. I don't like it. I like to elevate. I like to do better. So
yeah, I feel that. That's good.
Of course I had to make this song about you right now. Yeah. I told you I was gonna make this song about you right here. Yeah. Hey, bad little thing, yeah. True religion jeans, yeah. Super clean, yeah. What's good with you and me, yeah. Chasing dreams, yeah. Hit me when you're free, yeah.
Good morning, guys. Today is gonna be hair appointment day, but baby, do I need my hair done. Like, I just feel like I look so crazy. Like, my lashes are low-key dramatic, then I have no eyebrows. My hair's not done. It's 10:45, so I'm about to tidy up my house really fast before I head to the hair appointment. This hair is like not a traditional color that I like to do, but I feel like if a stylist does my hair, it's just gonna come out way better. But I'm just so ready to transform because I haven't had my lashes in so long, and I just feel like, girl, she's very much la, like she's very much tea. So I just got off the shower. It's 11:30, so I need to leave now. But we gotta smell good to our next appointment. Versace Dylan Turquoise. Then I have the YSL Libre. So that's gonna be our scents for today. Smells really good. Gotta spray the beanie too. And then we have our YSL. So let's go ahead and get on the road. Trying something new. Yeah, I just got 2 hooks. I'm not supposed to be eating this, but I'm hungry.
It's a catfish with shrimp.
Yeah. You ever tried the catfish nuggets? It's good?
No.
You don't like them?
I've never tried.
Oh, okay. You scared me, girl.
I've never tried
okay.
it. I did the fillet, but I've never tried
the nuggets. Okay. I hope it's good. I decided to try something else. I got hooks today, which is not healthy, but it's like when you're hungry and you're on the go, like it just be like, what do you fucking get? Like, you know what I mean? So I ended up getting hooks and I tried something new. I got shrimp with catfish nuggets. Never had catfish nuggets. Like, I don't know, that kind of sounds a little crazy, but yeah, I tell y'all every vlog I'm pescatarian, so it just don't be that easy for me. So anyways, I got that. I'm about to try it out, see what that's gonna be hitting for. Hooks is really good though, so I be driving crazy sometimes, y'all. I be with my seatbelt on, you over here driving crazy, jumping in front of semi trucks and shit. This is what it look like. This is what it looks like, y'all. It's fries. This is the catfish nuggets and the shrimps is here. This is what it looks like. Never had this before. It's good. It's good actually. I like it. It kind of tastes like, it makes sense. I don't know why I was thinking it was gonna taste like conch, like fried conch, but it makes sense. Imagine if someone said tilapia nuggets or salmon nuggets. Same freaking thing, it's just cut into little bitty pieces. Every time I eat and drive, I think of my dad. I remember being young and my dad was taking me to school one day, and like this man was eating, like, I don't know what he was eating. Like, it was something that is not normal to eat on the road. Like, I don't know if it was like rice and beans and chicken or spaghetti, but it was something that's like what? So and he's like really eating and driving, like knee on the wheel eating. So it's just like anytime I eat and drive, I think of my dad. Like, how you pull that off? Y'all, I need to stop eating with my mouth open. Like, I have to stop. I don't eat with my mouth open. I take it back. I be talking when I eat. Like, I just put it in my mouth and chew and just talk, and it's just like, stop. So I'm gonna see y'all when I come back, because I'm gonna talk to y'all and eat, and I don't need to be doing that. It's not cute. So I'm not doing that. We are here for my hair appointment. I'm so excited. I keep saying I'm excited, but it's because I truly am. In a couple seconds, y'all gonna see me in that chair with this bonnet, not bonnet, but this beanie snatched off, looking a hot ass mess. And after that, we gonna look so good. I'm excited.
Real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots, I burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town, bro. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga, not your bitch. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole tiny shit like 3 and 0 twin. Bitch, I be going in. Bitches clearly want my life and it's so evident. Cook, clean, and fuck 'em right. I'm so having sex. What I look like asking him about another bitch? Might tell you once, won't tell you twice. If post it up, we be alright. See, I gon' tweet and I'm gon' fight facts. Yeah, these hoes sweet as apple pie. Ain't got no car, so hoes be right. But bro say I can't even do that. What? Why? How? When? Where? Just let me know how you wanna play it, bitch. You know I'm there. If it was smoke, then I would say it, bitch. I'm crystal clear. Left my pennies at his mansion like a souvenir. When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots, I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town, broken. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga, not your bitch. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole tiny shit like 3 and 0 twin. Missus can't be fucked with, hoes ain't talking about nothing. Every time I look up, I'm the topic of discussion. I'm in a fast coupe, you in a bad mood. Funky bitch, you love your pussy in the bathroom. Ew. You gon' meet them halfway, I'm gon' meet them at the bank. I'm the type to make them wait, you the type to give it up. It's hard for me to give a fuck, you gon' let them plead his case. A bitch like me can't go for nothing. Know what's in my cup when I leave the club.
Hey guys, so we are back from our hair appointment. How are you guys liking the new do? Let me show you guys. So this is my new hairstyle. We did a brown body wave wig, and I wanted to do like a flip over kind of vibe. This is the hairstylist that did my hair. I like it. I'm not really too much of a fan of like brown. Like I kind of like black, blonde, red, but honestly I feel like this brown was really cute. I had to throw on the brown jacket today because I just feel like it just kind of matched the vibes a little bit. Hey guys, so it's the next day of the maintenance vlog, and as you guys see, we got our lashes, we got our hair, but baby, this is unacceptable. So I'm about to go get my nails done right now. My appointment is in like 15 minutes, so let's hit the road because I need to go. I will see you guys at the appointment, and yeah, you're gonna see my nails getting done in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Pray you get that job in time for. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time.
I see the nails in the natural sunlight.
Yes, y'all, she did so good. Shout out to you, girl. Okay, I'm gonna put her Instagram on the page. Her name is Stacy too, so that's so cute, y'all. Complimentary rings, like she ate with that. I love this Valentine's Day set, and y'all, she's only been doing nails for 5 months, so if you are in the South Florida area, definitely check her out. That was so amazing. She's so funny, so sweet, like, yeah. But y'all, we literally didn't eat nothing, so we is about to go home and get some food because I gotta get to work, even though today's supposed to be my day off, but you know how that go. So I will see y'all later. I'm so glad we did a maintenance vlog this week because baby, I was looking rough. I really love my hair. Shout out to my hairstylist. She did so good with my install. My edges are still intact. That is what you call an install. My lash tech always comes through with my lashes, and I was just super happy to support a brand new black owned business. So she did really good for my nails for someone that only has been doing nails for 5 freaking months. The only thing that I wanted to add to the maintenance vlog was getting my eyebrows tinted. The girl that I wanted to try, she didn't order the like kit in time. Also part of maintenance, there's a couple of things that I want to do at home, so we're gonna do it together. It's actually so warm in my house. I gotta take this off. Oh, I just want to get in bed, but before that, we want to take care of our skin in this maintenance vlog. This is the 3-step ultimate radiant skin. It comes with the skin perfecting serum, the instant detox mask, and facial cream. My skin is not horrible, but there's just parts of my skin that I just feel like needs a detox. Like I just feel like it just needs to like clear these pores out and just make my skin look way more like just better. Just take a little bit on my hand and we are going to just rub this into my face. It smells actually really good, which kind of scares me a little bit because I don't want anything scented too crazy on my face like that. Oh my god, this feels so good on my skin. Like I feel like this is gonna work. So I'm about to set my timer for 10 minutes. I'm like super duper tired. Today we did a maintenance vlog. Anytime I'm feeling a little bit down, anytime I'm feeling like ugh, all you gotta do is go book them appointments, girl. Go ahead and book those appointments. Having your lashes done, your hair done, your nails done, or you just pick from those top few, you are going to feel so much better. And even if you can't afford to do all of that, doing small steps like this, staying at home, doing a facial mask will take you so much further mentally, because sometimes you just need an at-home spa day or you need to book those appointments, girl. If you guys want to kind of see like the behind the scenes of the maintenance vlog, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. I had a weekly vlog that I was recording while I was doing my maintenance vlog, so you guys can see all the things in between that was happening. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want more content like this, definitely let me know. Go ahead and binge watch my other content and my other maintenance vlogs, and comment down below this secret emoji that's popping up on the screen right now, and that's how I know you watch my videos all the way through. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.